Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are all fine. This is Teacher Mimi. I welcome you all for another day of learning. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about division by using multiples or skip counting. Previous lesson, we discussed about division by sharing. Let's have an example. 6 divided by 3. Let's say there are 6 Angry Birds and we are going to distribute between the 3 kids. How many Angry Birds does each kid will get? Let's try to distribute. How many Angry Birds does each kid will get? You are correct. Each kid will get 2 Angry Birds. So therefore, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Or 6 Angry Birds, if you divide them between the 3 kids, each kid will get 2 Angry Birds. Excellent. Another way of dividing that we discussed is by grouping. Let's use the same example. 6 divided by 3. If there are 6 Angry Birds, how many groups of 3 can we get? Let's start to group them. 3 Angry Birds in one group, another 3 Angry Birds in one group. Now, how many groups of Angry Birds can you see? You're right. There are 2 groups. So therefore, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Are you ready to learn another method of dividing? Yes, you are. Today, we are going to learn division by using multiples. In this method, we are going to use the divisor and do skip counting. Let's start. For example, 10 divided by 2. In this example, 10 is the number to be divided and 2 is the divisor. In this method, we are going to use the divisor to do the skip counting. In here, 2 is the divisor. So let's find the multiples of 2 and we are going to count how many multiples did we make. Let's start. 2. That's the first multiple. 4. That's the second multiple. 6. That's the third multiple. 8. That's the fourth multiple. 10. That's the fifth multiple. Take note that the number to be divided is 10. So we're going to stop at 10. And how many multiples did we make? There are 5. So therefore, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Do you know that we can use our fingers to divide? Yes, we can use our fingers to divide. Let's start. Raise your hand. In this example, 2 is the divisor. So we are going to do the skip counting by 2 with our fingers. As you count by 2, you have to raise each finger. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Take note that the number to be divided is 10. So you have to stop at 10. Now tell me, how many fingers did you raise? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers. So therefore, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Excellent. Next example, 20 divided by 5. In here, 20 is the number to be divided and 5 is the divisor. Now we are going to use the divisor to find the multiples. And the divisor here is 5. And the number to be divided is 20. Now let's do the counting. The first multiple is 5. Second multiple is 10. The third multiple is 15. And 20 is the fourth multiple. Now take note that the number to be divided is 20. So we have to stop at 20. And how many multiples did we make? We made 4 multiples. So therefore, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Now let's use again our fingers to find the answer of 20 divided by 5. Raise your hand. Close your fingers. As you count by 5, you have to raise each finger. 5, 10, 15, 20. Take note that the number to be divided is 20, so you have to stop at 20. How many fingers did you raise? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fingers. So therefore, 20 divided by 5 is 4. Excellent. Now let's discuss the last example. 50 divided by 10. In this example, 50 is the number to be divided and 10 is the divisor. Now we are going to find again the multiples of the divisor. And we are going to count how many multiples did we make. Let's start. 10, that's the first multiple. 20, that's the second multiple. 30, that's the third multiple. 40, that's the fourth multiple. 50, that's the fifth multiple. Take note that the number to be divided is 50, so we have to stop at 50. And how many multiples is that? There are 5. So 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. Now let's use our fingers to solve this. Raise your hand. We are going to use the divisor 10 to do the multiples. Now close your fingers. As you count by 10, you have to raise your finger. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many fingers did you raise? There are 5. 5 fingers. So therefore, 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. Excellent. Now let's practice division flashcards. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? First question. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. 25 divided by 5 equals 7. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 50 divided by 10 equals 5. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 80 divided by 10 equals 8. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. That ends for today's lesson. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.